The iPhone 13 was released hours ago and you can't believe what I found. It's mind-blowing and futuristic. And I joined the Apple event and wrote all what was discussed and captured the very good moment for you guys. This video will be based on what the Apple officials said because it's impossible to have the iPhone 13 right now. So let's get started. At first, we are going to talk about the new design. The iPhone 13 design looks familiar with the iPhone 12. The iPhone 13 have 2 cameras while the iPhone 13 Pro have 3 cameras. The iPhone 13 Pro comes in different 4 colors: black, sphere, blue, gold, silver, and gold. And I'm sure these are very good colors everyone will love. The display. The iPhone 13 is having the Apple XDR display, which is very amazing. You will get the high picture quality with this display. And there's also a new display engine. The processor. For the first time, Apple is having the A15 Bionic chip on the iPhone 13. Can you believe that? A15 Bionic chip is impressively powerful. It's having 15 billion transistors and 6-core CPU, the fastest CPU in all smartphones in the world. The battery. With fast chip, fast performance, brighter display, it have a better battery life. It can last 2.5 hours longer than the iPhone 12. It's an all-day battery, though depending on the usage. The most exciting part, the camera. It's having the most advanced camera system. The first camera is a wide angle which is having f1.6 aperture and it's also 12 megapixels, 26mm focal length and 100% focus pixels. And then the 12 megapixels ultra wide camera is having a new faster sensor, f2.4 aperture and 13mm focal length. And there's something new when it comes to the video features. There's a new feature, the cinematic mode. This is for filmmakers. Apple are really trying to make iPhones filming devices for creators. Let me show you something. This movie you are just watching is shot on the iPhone 13. It has face autofocus in videos just like a real camera do. The network or connectivity. The iPhone 13 is still on 5G, but there's a new mode called the Smart Data mode. You can activate this when 5G isn't needed. Durability. It's water resistance, super fast, and having a very good ceramic shield. The price for iPhone 13 mini is $699, while the iPhone 13 itself is $799. We'll be talking about the iPhone 13 Pro, so subscribe so you won't miss, and I'll meet you guys on the next one. Peace.